Now we are going to learn the most useful command to interact with the target computer from Meterpreter command line. Actually, there is a lot of commands that you can use in Meterpreter command line, but in this video I will focus only on the most popular and useful commands, because without knowing these commands, you will not be able to do anything in the target computer. So we are going to start with this command. We have first pwd, that shows you your current working directory, and cd is to change your directory, and ls shows you the content of your current directory, and shell used to interact with Windows through Windows PowerShell, and upload used to upload a certain file or folder, and also we have download to download a certain file or folder, and lastly execute to execute a certain program on the target computer. And now we are going to take an example for all of these commands that we talked about. Okay, so the first command I'm going to use in order to interact with Windows is pwd. So pwd used to show you your current directory, so you are in cpartition users iSecurity downloads. And also we have ls is used to, or it will show you the content of your current directory. So now I'm in downloads, as we saw here. I'm in downloads, and here is all the programs or all the photos and txt file and exe programs. So here is all the content of downloads folder. And we have also cd. Cd is used to change your directory, your current directory. So I'm gonna start with cd ... So cd ... will allows you to come back to your previous folder. For example, I was in partition C users iSecurity downloads, as you can see here, and now I am in iSecurity. And in order to go to a certain file, I'm gonna say cd or change directory. Then I'm gonna go to then I'm going to my desktop. If I type again pwd, I will see that I am in the desktop. I'm gonna type again ls to see the content of my current directory. And now I'm gonna use shell command just to show you that I can also interact with Windows or through command prompt. So I'm gonna type dir, and here is all the folders and or here is all the program that is in my desktop or the target desktop. So also we have upload and download and execute. Let me exit from here first. So we have upload. In order to use or in order to upload a certain file, you have to copy it to your home directory. For example, here I have my wallpaper or a wallpaper. I'm gonna upload a certain wallpaper. Just let me delete all of this. I'm going to copy my file or my folder or anything else and paste it in my home directory in my Kali Linux. Then I'm going to type here upload, then my wallpaper name, and enter. And because you are in the desktop, so this wallpaper will be uploaded to the desktop of the target computer. I'm going to type ls again, and you will see that I have wallpaper jpg. And also we have download. We are going to download a certain program. For example, I'm going first to my downloads in the target computer, pwd, and as you can see right now I'm in downloads. I'm going to say ls, and I'm going to download this program to my Kali Linux machine. So I'm going to type download, then meter or the name of the file you want to download to your Kali Linux machine, and enter. So this program will be downloaded on your home directory in your Kali Linux. And the last command we are going to use is execute. So execute command used to execute a certain program or exe program. For example, I'm going to my desktop first, and right now I am in the desktop. I'm gonna say ls again, and I'm going to run this program. So I'm gonna say execute, -f, and I'm gonna add the name of the program that I'm going to run it in the target computer. For example, I can upload a virus or Trojan or anything to the target computer, and then then I can execute it in the target computer as well. So I'm gonna paste the name of the program that I'm going to run it. I'm gonna say enter, and process. This the ID of the process has been created. Let me come back to my Windows machine and see if anything changed. And as you can see, we have executed this program, TeamViewer. Let me come back to my to my Meterpreter command line. So we learned pwd shows you your current directory, and ls to show you the content of your current directory, and we have cd to come back to your previous folder, and also we have cd to change your folder, and shell in order to interact with Windows through command prompt, and upload and download and execute to download or upload or execute a certain file. So this video is gonna be divided to two parts. The first part is this one, and the second part is going to be, for example, or you will have fun with the target computer. For example, you will be able to capture the keystrokes, screenshot, and more, or for example, disable the keyboard and the mouse and more. So I'll see you in the next video.